and the butterfly. Many of us know that a beautiful and colorful butterfly comes from an unappealing worm. Here is the story of a butterfly that was never able to live its life as a normal butterfly. One day, a man saw a cocoon. He loved butterflies and had a craze for its wonderful combination of colors. In fact, he used to spend a lot of time around butterflies. He knew how a butterfly would struggle to transform from an ugly caterpillar into a beautiful one. He saw the cocoon with a tiny opening. It meant that the butterfly was trying to make its way out to enjoy the world. He decided to watch how the butterfly would come out of the cocoon. He was watching the butterfly struggling to break the shell for several hours. He spent almost more than 10 hours with the cocoon and the butterfly. The butterfly had been struggling very hard for hours to come out through the tiny opening. Unfortunately, even after continuous attempts for several hours, there was no progress. It seemed that the butterfly had tried its best and could not give any more try. The man, who had a passion and love for butterflies, decided to help the butterfly. He got a pair of scissors and tweaked the cocoon to make larger opening for the butterfly and removed the remaining cocoon. The butterfly emerged without any struggle. Unfortunately, the butterfly looked no longer beautiful and had a swollen body with small and withered wings. The man was happy that he had made the butterfly come out of the cocoon without any more struggles. He continued to watch the butterfly and was quite eager to see it fly with its beautiful wings. He thought that at any time the butterfly might expand its wings, shrink the body, and the wings could support the body. Unfortunately, neither did the wings expand nor the swollen body reduce. Unfortunately, the butterfly just crawled around it with withered wings and a huge body. It was never able to fly, although the man did it with a good intention. He did not know that only by going through struggles the butterfly can emerge to be beautiful with strong wings. The continuous effort from the butterfly to come out of its cocoon would let the fluid stored in the body be converted into wings. Thus, the body would become lighter and smaller, and the wings would be beautiful and large. If we don't want to undergo any struggle, we won't be able to fly. So, what's the moral of the story? Struggle make us shine. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and comment and subscribe my channel.